kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we will trace A, B, C, D, E and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First, let's learn some colors name. Yellow color, parrot green color, brown color, violet color, pink color, white color, green color, red color, orange color. So let's get started. Red color A. A, red color. Green color B. B, green color. Brown color C. C, brown color. Yellow color D. D, yellow color. Yellow color D. Violet color E. Violet color E. E, violet color. Now we will move to 1. Orange color 1. 1. Orange color. Now we will trace number 2. Number 2, green color. Number 2, green color. Now let's move to number 3. Number 3, brown color. Brown color. Number 3, yellow color. Yellow color. Number 4. Number 4, yellow color. Now I am tracing number 5 with violet color. Violet color. Number 5. Number 5, violet color. Very good. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant. Number 1, orange color. Number 2, green color. Number 3, brown color. Number 4, yellow color. Number 5, violet color. Very good. Good. Keep it up, guys. Like and subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.